about avatar. Okay, avatar of the Lord. Does all of you know about avatar? What
Yes,
is avatar?
Prabhuji.
Yes,
Okay,
Prabhu.
what is avatar? Avatar means
The incarnation of the Lord.
very
The
good.
incarnation of the Lord when the truth is not been.
Yes, incarnation of the Lord. That's avatar. Okay. So, how many avatars we all know? Generally, all of you, how many avatars you know?
Dasavatar, Purushavatar.
Krishna Avatar, Krishna Avatar, Narasimha Avatar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
Very bold. Okay, so it's interesting. So you
Kalki
all know.
Avatar.
Yeah, we all have heard of many avatars. So the 10 avatars, Dasavatar, which is the famous 10 avatars, we all know, right? Matsya Avatar, Varaha Avatar, Kurma Avatar, Balrama Avatar. So Lord Krishna, who is the Supreme Lord, he himself also has ascended, right? He also came during Dwapara Yuga. We all know about Krishna came to Vrindavan and his Leela's pastimes, we all know that. So the same Supreme Lord Krishna has come as an avatar in Kali Yuga. Okay, okay. Now, at the end of this, very important. All of you need to listen to this avatar. This is a very important avatar. All of you, please listen attentively. And towards the end, we will have a quick quiz. Okay, just few questions. So just listen to this avatar. Maybe Neil may be knowing about this avatar since he has attended in the past. So Neil, if you know, uh, give an opportunity to others to answer. Okay, Hare Krishna Vishnu. Okay, so like I said, in Kali Yuga, 500 years back, Lord Krishna himself has come as an avatar. So anybody knows who is this avatar apart from Neil? 500 years back, who? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Hari Bol, Hare
Chaitanya
Krishna.
Mahaprabhu.
I need not teach you all. You all know everything. So I think you all know. Straight away I can go to the questions. Hari Bol, wonderful kids. So yes, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is none other than Krishna himself, and he came as an avatar. Why does an avatar come?
When the truth is not being
Save his devotees.
in the earth, if
Hmm.
if the mm, if the
If anyone did not chanting Hare Krishna, the Lord Vishnu Avatar Chaitanya to teach everyone Hare Krishna mantra.
Okay, so the purpose of avatar is whenever there is decline in any religion, or and there should be a dharma. Okay, there is a decline in dharma also. If nobody is following the dharma properly, that is when an avatar comes. Okay, he'll come and re-establish the dharma. That is the purpose of a avatar. Okay, so what happens when Krishna came? Also, a lot of demons was there. So they were simply doing all sinful activities. So dharma was not there. He had to kill all the demons like Hiranyakashipu and all other demons. Sorry, Kamsa and all other demons, and then re-establish the dharma. Similarly, even 500 years back, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. Okay, to re-establish the dharma and kill the demons. The demons, who are the demons?
Kamsa,
Huh?
Kamsa,
Okay, the demons are within us itself because we have lot of anarthas within us. So that demons will kill by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came 500 years back just to spread these holy names. And he did this Sankirtan, Hare Krishna Sankirtan, by chanting that once all anarthas or sins vanquishes or eradicates, goes away just by chanting. And that is how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has many followers, thousands and millions of followers. Okay, pure devotees. Okay, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came 500 years back. Okay, which state he came from, which village, which state? Okay, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was from a village called Nadia, that is in West Bengal. All of you know West Bengal, right? Okay, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is from a village called Nadia in West Bengal. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born on a full moon day. Okay, he was born on a full moon day, and it was so interesting that see whenever before that I have to also show you simultaneously now. How many of you have seen Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji, me.
Okay, so you all have seen Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right? Okay, I have to show you also before that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so you can.
Chaitanya Prabhu's color is a golden color.
Okay, good.
Yes, Prabhuji, golden.
Okay, okay. So you all know Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Just 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll just share a photo so that you can just. Okay. So here is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's photo. You're able to see
No, Prabhuji.
now?
No, no. Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. So this is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who appeared 500 years back. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born in a village called Nadia, okay, in West Bengal. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born on a full moon day. It's a Purnami. So usually when the Lord comes, he doesn't come alone. He comes with his associates also. Okay, when I say about a king, which means no, that's not only a king, there is a group of ministers, okay, his army, everything is there, his kingdom, everything is there. Likewise, when Mahaprabhu came, because he is the Supreme Lord, he is none other than Krishna. So when he came, also his associates also came together because they all wanted to perform a Leela. Avatar comes for performing some Leela, right? For us to understand, for us to learn something out of it. So he establishes dharma, right? Out of which we learn something. So he came with his associates. So Mahaprabhu, if you see the photo here below, I'll just show you. Okay, you can see here Mahaprabhu is dancing, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the yellow garment. Okay, then there is his other associates in blue color, Nityananda Prabhu. Then there's Advaita Acharya. So, what has happened? One of the associates called Advaita Acharya. Remember, Advaita Acharya prayed to the Lord because he felt that there is a lot of sinful activities going on in this world. So, he prayed sincerely to to the Supreme Lord, and said, "Why don't you come yourself, Lord Krishna? Come, please come to this earth and somehow save this." People on in this earth from their sinful reactions. Please, children, please don't scribble. So save the people, save the devotees from this, okay? And all these anathas from our heart should go away from all those people. So in that way, Advaita Acharya seriously prayed to Supreme Lord, and that's how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard his prayers and came to the earth. Okay, so he was born. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's parents' name, anybody knows?
Jagannath Mishra.
Very good.
Jagannath Mishra.
Jagannath Mishra. Jagannath Mishra.
I think I have to stop the class here. All the children know perfectly everything. Yes, Jagannath Mishra was the name of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's father, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mother's name was Sachi Devi, Sachi Mataji. Yes, so they had this wonderful child, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu displayed his godly qualities.
Yes, see.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu displayed his godly qualities as soon as he was born. Okay, it's not that he performed his powers after a certain age. Even when he was born, he displayed that he was the Supreme Lord. So what has happened? As soon as he was born, in just a few days itself, he used to cry like any other baby. Okay, so they didn't know how to stop the cry. He used to continuously cry.
Can I say one?
So wait, dear. After this, after the class, we can. So he used to continuously cry, and his mother used to simply chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Immediately he'll stop crying, and he will continue. Mother used to chant and he'll crying. Again, his mother stopped. Again, he started crying. So at that age, even in just few months itself, he showed his um, who he was. Okay, and how he was attracted to the holy names of the Lord. So, like somebody said, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in what color? What is the color of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Golden color.
Golden color. Yes, perfect. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born in golden color. See, any avatars coming, okay, to this earth, it is not that simply somebody is saying, okay, somebody is, or a man is coming, I mean, you see a man on the street and says, okay, I am Krishna, if he says, that can't be accepted. It has to be written somewhere in the scriptures, in Padma Purana, in Garuda Purana, it will be written in some Puranas that such a person will be born on such a day and he is the incarnation of Lord Krishna. It should be written. Likewise, Mahaprabhu's incarnation in the earth 500 years back is also written in the Puranas that so and so person will come. He is born to Mother Sachi. Okay. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born under a neem tree. Okay. Which is why he is called as what?
Mali.
So, where did you all hear this story earlier? Yes.
Stayed on Gurukul class.
Gurukulam class.
Oh, in Gurukul class, you all heard this, huh? I was
Yes.
thinking Neil was the only person, kid who heard this. Okay, good. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was called as Nimai. So whenever Lord comes, the Lord's closest associate also comes. When Ram came, who was his closest associate?
Hanuman.
Lakshmana.
Yes, Lakshmana. So when Lord came, Lord's closest associate, Lakshmana came. Lakshmana was none other than who?
Hanuman.
Balaram.
Yes, Balaram came later. Correct, Balaram only. But you all know Anantasesha, right?
Hanuman.
Not Hanuman. Anantasesha, you know, right? The snake with the 100 heads, where Vishnu will be sleeping on the snake bed.
Prabhu.
Yes, wherever Mahavishnu is there, Anantasesha also will be there, protecting Lord Vishnu. So likewise, wherever Krishna is there, the Adisesha, the Supreme Lord is there, his close associate also will be there, who is none other than Anantasesha, right?
Yes. Yes, Prabhuji.
So, when Ram came, he came as Lakshmana, right?
Yes.
Okay, now when Krishna came, he came as, who is close associate?
Balaram.
Balaram. That's right. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, who was the close associate? Who was
Nityananda Prabhu.
Hari Bol. Nityananda Prabhu. Everybody knows anything. So it's just a revision for me. Okay, yes. Nityananda Prabhu was none other than Balaram. Okay, who came here. Okay, as his close associate. So they were, his close associates were actually 5. Like Advaita Acharya, I told in the beginning, because of whose prayers.
Today, my family all Aganda Nama Jaba doing.
Yes. That is generally done in Kerala.
Prabhuji,
Yes,
can
during
you-
this month.
I can't understand. Can you say once more?
Yes, I was telling that Advaita Acharya, I told you, right, earlier, because of his prayers, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came down, right? Advaita Acharya is none other than incarnation of Vishnu and,
Mahadeva.
yeah, that's right, Vishnu and Shiva. So, likewise, each, like there are 5 associates. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, we all know Balaram, then Advaita Acharya also is an incarnation. Then Gadadhara Pandit and Srivas. Okay, so there are 5 of them, Gadadhara and Srivas also, apart from Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So that Lord, whenever he comes with his close associates. They also come from the spiritual world. They perform the pastimes and then they go back. That is how it is, whether in Krishna Leela or in Lord Ramachandra Leela or in Vamana Leela, any Leelas. Okay, so here, if you see, Nityananda Prabhu was his close associate, and Nityananda Prabhu is none other than Balaram, as you have seen. So there are many pastimes which showed in his early young days, which shows that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is none other than the Supreme Lord. So what happened is, like I said, this same, I told you about Anantasesha, right? Like this he showed when he was born, when he was maybe around 2 years or something, when Mahaprabhu was 2 years, and he when he went outside, he just saw a snake which came towards him. What happens when we see the snake? We simply run away from the place or take a stone and throw it, or we somehow try to harm it or call our parents. Somehow we wanted to get rid of it. You know what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did? He didn't get rid of it. He immediately went near the snake, started catching the snake, and then playing with the snake. And then he also slept along with the snake, on the snake, and the snake did not harm him at all. Okay?
Because the snake
Yeah.
knows it's a supreme lord.
Snake also was none other than
T.
Anantasesha. Anantasesha. We
Sorry,
saw, right?
Prabhuji.
It came
Prabhuji,
yes.
can I say one? Prabhuji, sorry. I will write. I will
Yeah, you can
draw
put,
the.
like I said, see any questions, anything, I told no, we'll take it towards the end. Any comments, we'll take it towards the end, okay? Otherwise, the story will get disrupted. Okay, Surajit?
Okay,
Anything,
Prabhuji.
we'll take it towards the end. But you can give your
Prabhuji, can I
comments.
say? Can I say in Malayalam one?
What is that you want to say?
ഞാന് ഞാനിങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ അറിയാണ്ട് കയ്യിലിങ്ങനെ കൈ ഇങ്ങനെ ഡ്രോ
That's okay, no problem, Surajit. That's fine. Okay, so what I was saying about the snake, right? So he was sleeping with the snake because snake is none other than the Anantasesha snake. So his parents then were seeing what happened. He was inside the home, he's missing, and then when they went outside and saw, he was just sleeping on the snake, and they got surprised and they immediately pulled him, and the snake quietly went away. That showed that he's not a ordinary person. That from that moment, even before that, another pastime also, where when he was a small baby, his mother was actually making him bath beginning, and they saw in his foot mark, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's foot. Okay, below the Vishnu marks were there, Shankha, Chakra, all these marks were there in his foot. Okay, that immediately his mother was kind of surprised how these marks can come to a child. These are the marks which is there for the Supreme Lord, Shankha, Chakra, and all. And then immediately they called the astrologer. Astrologer saw the footmarks and said, he is not an ordinary child, he is the Supreme Lord. And he'll be known in all the three worlds. Okay. Likewise, once what happened, one Brahmana, he was actually passing by through that village, and it was quite late that evening, almost in evening. So this Brahmana, and he had a deity also, deity of Gopal, Sri Krishna deity. Gopal is another Sri Krishna. So he had a deity also. Now, since it was getting dark, he thought he has to go and stay in some home. So he passed through Jagannath Mishra's house, and then he asked, "Can I stay here? I have my deities also, and I have to stay here, offer food to the Lord Gopal, and then again morning I'll leave from this place." He welcomed very much, because those days and all, any strangers come, they welcome, they give food, they even give place to stay. Yes, he said, with full happiness, he welcomed the guest. And then the Brahmana said, okay, now let me cook some food. Can I have some space in the kitchen? I want to cook some food and offer it to my deities, Gopal deities. They said, absolutely fine. And he started cooking the food in the evening. He started cooking, and with some 2-3 varieties he cooked, and he went and started offering the food. You know, you all know what is offering food to the Lord?
Prasada. Prasada.
Yes, perfect. Prasadam. Yes, a food becomes prasadam when it is offered to the Lord. Huh? That is how we are in any temple. You go also. What you get is the food, is the prasadam, which means it is offered to the Lord, and then we get it. So similarly, this Brahmana offered to the his deity, and started calling the Lord through his mantras, through his prayers. He started calling the Lord. When he called the Lord, immediately Nimai, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came when he was baby. Nimai came running, and he took the prasadam and started eating. And then he ate 2-3 times. Then only this Brahmana opened the eyes and saw what he is eating this. Immediately he stopped him, and he told his father, "Oh, no, sorry, without knowing it has happened. He's a small boy. So you can start cooking once again, and you can leave this." Then Brahmana is thinking, okay, let me cook once again. Once again, he went to the kitchen and started making prasadam. for the deities, because that already made was eaten by Nimai, right? So again he started making after by the time it is already 8 o'clock, and then he started after finishing everything, he went and offered to the Lord. Again he started telling the prayers or the mantras while offering. While he was telling the mantras and he called the Lord, again Nimai ran, he came inside, started taking and eating. Then the Brahmana saw, he got very angry. What is this boy? I'm offering to the Lord and he is coming and eating my prasadam. Huh? Then he called his father. This is not acceptable. What is this? Then his father also got angry. He said, Nimai, this is not the right thing to do. You better go to that room. By the time it is also quite late, 8:39. So he said, you go to that room and you don't come out. Okay, and he'll lock him in that room also. And his parents, Jagannath Mishra and Sachi Matayos, will go to sleep. Then he'll again make the prasadam for third time, and then this time finally by around 10 o'clock he'll finish the around 10, 11 he'll finish making the prasadam, and then he'll go and offer. And this time he'll be very sure that Nimai is not coming, because he thought it's very late, Nimai would have slept. And again he closed his eyes and started reciting the mantras, calling the Lord to come and eat the prasadam. Suddenly Nimai came again and started eating the prasadam. Then he was struck, what is this boy? And immediately Nimai, he took the form of the Lord and showed him who he was. You are calling me, that's why I came and ate the prasadam, he'll say. Then he'll understand, oh, he's the Supreme Lord. He's none other than Lord Gopal or Lord Krishna. So then, and he will show him how he was in Vrindavan. Nimai will show him how he was in Vrindavan with all the Gopas and Gopis with the cows and all. Then the Brahmana will immediately pay obeisance, and the Brahmana will be so happy that all this while it was the Lord who came and ate the prasadam, not this boy. The boy is none other than Lord himself. By that way, this is another pastime to show that the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was none other than Krishna himself. Then there is one other good pastime also. A thief. There are a couple of thieves who are going around the village, that village of Nadia, and they were seeing a right time to whose house they can go and steal something. And while they were passing, they came across Jagannath Mishra's house. So in Jagannath Mishra's house, our Nimai was sitting outside. And usually, no, for babies, they'll put some gold chain and some earrings, all this, no. So he was having this jewelry around him, and he was a very small boy at that point of time. So he was sitting with the jewelry, sitting in the outside and playing. So the two thieves thought, this is the perfect time and the perfect house we got. Let us take this child and run away now. And so what they'll do, they'll take the child. Their idea is to take this child, take outside the village somewhere, take all the golds and leave the child and go. That's it. Their intention is to just take the child. So they took the child, kept on the shoulder, one of the thieves, and then they started going out. So they were walking. They were walking around fully around the village. They started going here, that street, this street. Every street they're going. Again, they're coming back to Jagannath Mishra's house. Again, they're coming back to Nimai's house. They're going here. So again, they're going to, as they're trying to go somewhere else, but they're walking and coming back to Jagannath Mishra's house again. Well, they thought, what? How is that we landed again to the same house? Come on, let us again go away. And again, they'll go somewhere else. They'll go to some other street. Again, they'll come back to same Jagannath Mishra's house. By this way, they'll be surprised. How is that we are reaching here again the same place? And in the meantime, our Jagannath Mishra and Sachi Matay will search for the kid. What happened? Our child is missing. He was playing here. And then they'll see the two thieves coming. They're just coming with the Nimai on their shoulder. Oh, they'll go and thank. They didn't know that they'll not know that these thieves actually initially. They
Hare
say,
Krishna, Prabhu.
yes, Hare Krishna.
Prabhu, I give Krishna Tulsi Mala.
Yes, Hari Bol. Okay, towards the end, I will just show everybody also. I'll put the spotlight and show also. Okay. Okay. So Jagannath Mishra, when they were so worried, the parents are so worried. So where is Nimai gone? And that time they'll see the two thieves coming that side. Again they'll come there and they'll land up in their front of their house itself. And then Misha will immediately go and take the child from there. Oh, thank God, our child has come here. The thieves will then flee away from the place. They will know that he's not an ordinary child because they tried to go at least 4 or 5 times. They wanted to go outside the village, but they will automatically come landing up in the same village, same house. Sorry, same house itself. By that way, he'll come back. So this is simple. Another simple pastime of how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proved that he is none other than the Supreme Lord himself. And you also know, we have heard of. Did you hear of animals dancing, chanting, and all? Have you heard of it?
No, Prabhu.
Okay. How many of you believe that animals can dance, chant, and all? Okay, I can see Sarvesh, Neil, Sri Lakshmi, Anaka, Vishnu. Okay, everybody are raising their hands, right? But it's kind of very difficult to understand how is that Kirti is also raising. Meenakshi, yes, fine. Brinda. See, it's kind of very difficult to understand, right? How can an animal kind of chant and dance? When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, while he was grown, that in the later part of years, while he was passing through the forest and he was chanting and dancing and going, he was chanting and dancing, going through the forest, the animals. Okay, let me just see if I get the photo here. The animals which were passing through the forest, they were also dancing. The elephants, the tigers, and deers. Let me see the Prabhu dancing with animals. Deers, everything is dancing along with Mahaprabhu. And the animals were actually hugging each other. It's such a wonderful scene which we can't even think of, right? Yeah, I'll just show you this picture if you can just see. It's a small picture, but anyway, you'll get an idea. Can you see this?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah, see, Mahaprabhu is dancing and all the animals. We can't even think a tiger going and hugging a deer. It's tiger is hugging a deer. It's not possible because usually tigers usually go and hunt the deer and it eats it, right? But here it's kind of dancing in joy. The elephants are dancing in joy, and that is the speciality of the holy names. Just Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is chanting, and immediately animals are kind of they also came to ecstasy. Yeah, ecstasy, and this is another wonderful pastime of how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proved that he is none other than the Supreme Lord just by his chanting the holy name, and they hear it, and then they start going in. They start becoming in ecstatic dancing mood. Likewise, there are many other wonderful pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So I will tell it in various other times. We can see some individual pastimes in detail. We can see pastimes. So I will just give a small quiz. Okay, it's a simple quiz. I thought this quiz will be of help to you, but I really don't think this quiz is going to, because all of you knows the answer perfectly very well.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah, just 1 minute here. Oh, 1 minute, sorry. Okay, can you see this?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
So what is the first question?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Lord Vishnu.
Okay, Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu, Mahavishnu. Okay, perfect. Very good, children. Second question. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu incarnated as a devotee.
True.
Okay, that's perfect.
How many years back was
500 years.
One by one. Wait, one by one. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
500
incarnated
years.
as a devotee.
500
Okay,
years.
he came as a devotee along with many a devotee. We saw that. So how many years before? Yes, 500 years.
500.
Perfect. Which state in India?
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Very good. Nadia village, West Bengal. Very good. Okay. What are the names of Mahaprabhu's parents?
Jagannath Mishra and
Jagannath Mitra and Sachi Devi.
Devi.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Mahaprabhu's footprints had the markings of Vishnu like Shankha, Chakra, etc.
True.
True.
Okay. Very good. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also called as
Nimai.
Nimai. Very good. Okay. One more question. Maybe Chaitanya, true or false? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born on a full moon day.
True.
Okay. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was bluish in color. True or false?
False.
What was the color? What was the color?
Golden.
Golden color. Very bold. All the children. Neil. Sorry, Neil. All the kids knows all the answers. So okay. So wonderful, dear. Okay. So this is just to. I mean, the whole purpose of this class is just to tell about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's incarnation, who is none other than Krishna himself. Actually, he is Krishna and Radharani together. Okay, you all know Radharani also, right? Krishna and Radharani together is
Because Radharani's color is golden color.
okay. Can tell that way also. So his mood is that way. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood is that way as a devotee, and he is Krishna and Radharani together. So we all know that he came 500 years back, right? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is one who started this Sankirtan. Okay, so it is glories of chanting the holy names and spreading the glories of the holy names also, which is what Prabhupada has done few years back, several years back, and which we are fortunate to receive that and chant the holy names. Okay, now I will just ask our Vishnu wanted to show something, and Surijit wanted to say something. Yes, Vishnu? Was it Vishnu? Meenakshi, yeah? Sorry. Hari bol, Tulasi Mala for Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu.
Oh, very nice.
Today's your agenda puja. That's right.
Okay, very good, very good. Nice, dear. Now, Surijit, you wanted to say something?
Prabhuji, can you see the first image of the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Okay. Sorry, I didn't get you this one. What are you saying?
Can you see the first image of can you see the child?
Yeah, you want me to show that?
Child
Child Mahaprabhu, photo. There is only paintings here. There is no photos actually because he was born 500 years back. So there is only paintings or drawings of Mahaprabhu in his childish form, or whatever I shown you is only the paintings, Mahaprabhu's. 500 years back, what we have, we don't have anything, right? No camera and anything. It all used to be paintings only, right? But all paintings were done now only. Okay. Okay, so any other questions you got? So I'm so surprised that you kids know everything about Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is and about his incarnation. So that's so nice of you that you all remember everything. Any questions you have about Mahaprabhu, you can ask now. Else, you can also wind the class.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
If Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, why did he give the Hare Krishna to 5 people? He can only give to 1 people, right?
No, see, if you see Mahaprabhu's task was to spread the glories, spread this holy name, this Hare Krishna Mahamantra across the world to everybody. Okay? It is free. Okay, it is so powerful and still it is free. So he wanted to give to everybody. How can one person do all the tasks? So it is like a branch. So initially there are 5 people. I mean, along with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. From that 5 people, there are many other people along in the. It's like a tree. So down it came everybody. Then we have now Prabhupada who came many years back. From Srila Prabhupada again it came to many other acharyas as well. So it can't be spread by one person. That it should go like a branch. So there are 5 people, and again, like I said, that 5 people who are the 5 acharyas, they are all close associates of the.
Gopikas.
Huh?
Gopikas. Gopikas in Dwapara Yuga.
No, they're all associates. Like I said, they all have a purpose. Like Advaita Acharya, I said, right? He's Mahavishnu and Lord Shiva. Likewise, Gadadhara Pandit, he's Radharani himself. He is Radharani, Gadadhara Pandit. And Nityananda Prabhu is Balaram. So they all have a purpose why they have to come along with the Supreme Lord, and they'll finish their purpose. Once they finish, they'll go back again. Okay? So they have a mission, they finish it, spread it, and they go. So, okay, dear Sarvesh. Any other questions, dear?
No.
Okay. So, if no other questions, we will wind up the class here. So, we will continue to hear past tense of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as and when we discuss with along with other stories. Okay, there are wonderful past tense of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Surijit.
What is the original name of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Original name of
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
is it Vishwambar? Vishwambar Mishra.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Okay, it's
Hare Krishna.
Vishwambar. Yeah, Vishwambar Mishra. That was the name, and then he became Chaitanya Mahaprabhu later.
So why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got the name as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
It was the name was kept by acharyas. Now, how I mean, what like after initiation, one accepts a guru, their name will be different. After one accepts a guru, their name will change. So, likewise, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he accepted a guru, he got a different name.
Okay, Prabhuji, thank you.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
Prabhuji, who is called the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
I didn't understand what is the question. What do you mean by who is called?
Can I say in Malayalam?
Parayum.
ആരാണ് ചൈതന്യ മഹാപ്രഭുവിനെ ചൈതന്യ മഹാപ്രഭു എന്ന് വിളിച്ചത്?
അതന്നെ പറഞ്ഞത് ആചാര്യന്മാര് when he accepted a guru, okay, he got a name as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, Mahaprabhu is a kind of designation which came to him because of his very elevated position. Okay, all of you should remember one thing.
Hare Krishna.
All of you should remember about the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Try to chant at least little bit, even at least one round. Okay, whenever you get time, at least during your prayers. Okay, dear. We'll end the class with that and see you all next week.